If you've ever tried making a UGC ad for your business, you know the real cost: hundreds, sometimes thousands of pounds. You need a video editor, a scriptwriter, a studio, a photographer, and a model. It's expensive, slow, and honestly out of reach for most small businesses. But what if you could create a high-quality UGC ad completely by yourself? No editors, no models, no scriptwriters, and without spending a single pound. Here's a video I made in under 5 minutes.
There's a shift that happens when the sun goes down. A transition from who you are to who you want to be. Bold. Mysterious. Nocturnoir. Stop just wearing fragrance. Start wearing an atmosphere.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make similar product ads like before and a professional UGC ad for your business, completely by yourself in just a few minutes and completely free. This AI tool is called Flova AI. You could call it the all-in-one AI agent for video creation. It's not just another AI video generator. It's an AI native video creation agent that handles the entire process for you, from planning and scripting to shot generation, image generation, editing, and final assembly, all in one place. What makes Flova different from other AI tools on the market is that you're not just generating a video, you're having an actual conversation with an AI agent. You simply tell it what you want and ask it to make changes, adjust a scene, or switch up the style until you're completely satisfied with the result. So whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or someone selling products online, this tool can save you both time and money. So let's get started and create our first product ad. First, head over to the Flova AI website. You'll find this tool's link in the description below, where you can also claim 100 free credits to get started, and you can claim 200 extra credits if you invite your friends. This is what the Flova AI interface looks like. In the chat box here, you can upload images, audio, video, or simply type in text. One thing I really like about Flova is that it's not limited to a single AI model. You can switch between different image, video, music, and audio models depending on what you're creating. For image generation, you'll find models like GPT Image and Nano Banana 2. For video, there's Seedance. For music, Suno, which is fantastic for generating background tracks. And for audio, 11 Labs is built right in. The interesting part is, you don't need to jump between 5 different tools and pay for each one separately. Everything's available right here inside Flova. This tutorial is split into 2 parts. In the first part, I'll show you how to create an ad video using just an image and a prompt. In the second part, later in this video, I'll show you how to build an ad using pre-made skills. So let's start. Here's the product image I'll be creating an ad for. Choose whatever product fits your own business or use case. And this is the exact prompt I used. You'll find the link of this prompt in the description below. So the prompt is, create a UGC-style ad for Nocturne Noir fragrance using my uploaded product photo. Feature a beautiful young female model applying the perfume in an ultra-realistic, cinematic style. Include natural spoken dialogue about how the scent makes her feel, moody blue lighting, smooth transitions between close-up product shots and lifestyle shots, and a trending background music track. Vertical 9:16 format, polished commercial UGC aesthetic. After uploading my product image and typing in the prompt, I simply hit enter. After a few moments, it takes me into this interface where, on the right-hand side, you'll find a chat box. This is your AI agent, guiding you through each step. It genuinely feels like chatting with an assistant. As you can see, it's now asking me how long I want this ad to be. A 15-second social ad, a 30-second story-led ad, or a 45-second detailed ad. For this tutorial, I'm going with the 45-second detailed ad, but choose whichever length fits your needs. Once selected, I'll click send. Honestly, this is where the platform really shines. If you're comfortable with storytelling or content creation in general, Flova makes the entire process so much easier. Now it's generating the video specification. You can review it right here. And if you want to make any changes, you can simply type them into the chat. I don't see any issues with this specification, so I'll type confirm to approve it and hit enter. After a short wait, it's generated the storyboard for our product ad. You can scroll through and review it on the left side. I've gone through it and I'm happy with it, so I'll confirm again and hit enter. After a brief wait, it's now generated our media assets. You can see the product image and other visuals coming together right in the interface. Everything looks good here too, so I'll confirm once more. A few moments later, the ad video itself has been generated directly in the interface. If there's anything you're not happy with, any asset or clip, you can simply tell the AI in the chat box to refine it. In my case, everything looks good, so I'll confirm to move forward. Next, it's generated our video ad's background sound, music, and voiceover for the ad. I'll confirm again to continue. After this confirmation, it assembles all the media assets into a single timeline, which you can also edit directly if needed. And with that, our ad video is complete. You can export it by clicking Export Video in the top right corner. And here's the final result of our product ad video.
I've always believed that a fragrance shouldn't just make you smell good. It should tell a story. For me, Nocturne Noir is that transition. The moment the sun goes down and you become who you really want to be. It's mysterious, it's deeply intimate, and honestly, it feels like a secret you only share
Nocturne
with
in your
yourself.
eyes, and what you said,
If you're
we'll see
looking for
whatever.
a scent that lingers, that holds power in the dark, this is it. Nocturne Noir. Own your night.
Now I'm going to show you how you can create a product ad video using skills. Let's go back to the Flova AI homepage and simply click Skills on the left-hand side. This is the skills library. In this interface, you can see several types of video creation you can replicate using their pre-built skills. For example, music to video, script to video, narrative short film, reference to video, and humanistic documentary film. For this tutorial, I'm going with product commercial. I'll click on it, then click Use Skill. This takes me back to the Flova AI homepage. Now I'm going to upload my product image. Once it's uploaded, I'll paste in my short prompt instructions into the chat. As you can see, use the workflow from this selected skill to create a UGC-style commercial for my uploaded Nocturne Noir fragrance product photo. Apply the same shot structure, pacing, and style as the skill, adapted to my product. Then I'll hit enter. Just like before, it's now asking me to choose between 3 options. I'll go with the second option, extended vertical ad, and hit send. As you can see, the video specification is ready, so I'll hit confirm. Since I've already shown you this process in detail earlier, I won't walk through every single step again this time. Just like before, it will create the storyboard, background sound, music, and video generation. I'll simply hit confirm at each stage until it produces the final video output. And here's the final result, right in the timeline. Let's take a look at the final video. And that's it. 2 ways to create a professional product ad without hiring a model, editor, or scriptwriter, and without spending $1. Flova isn't just another AI video generator. It's an AI native video agent that helps you plan, review, iterate, and produce videos in one workflow. So stop juggling AI tools and start creating in one intelligent workspace. Use the link in the description to sign up and get 100 free credits instantly, plus 200 more for every person you invite. And one more thing, Seedance 2.5 is now available in Flova, bringing stronger motion quality and even better consistency to your videos. They're also running a limited time 10-day promotion. Buy one, get one free, plus 47% off with prices starting as low as 0.03 per second. Definitely worth grabbing while it's live. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.